Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of What's Up with Nick and Chuck. Today I'm here with Sherry Morton, and what we're going to do today is actually run through the tests that we previously talked about in our last episode. We had a lot of different examples of the tests that are performed here at HUI on our color coat paint line, and today we're going to take and run through these tests and show them to you firsthand.
Comparing the colors, so they match.
Then if the colors don't necessarily match when you're visually looking at them, then what do you do?
Then I do the spectrometer test.
And then the spectrometer test will actually give you a numerical readout of how close the colors are to one another.
Yep.
And then what's the range on that from acceptable to unacceptable?
Yeah, there's a range on everyone that it would pass.
Okay, so that range is specified by our supplier. Okay. So what Sherry's doing right now is scoring lines into the paint sample, and that is to take and put an etch mark into the powder, and then what she's going to do is apply some tape to that area that she put those cross hatches on, and then peel it off to test the adhesion.
Direct hit, it passes, and then an indirect hit, it passes, so that would be, and
And how would you go about testing the build figures?
I would use this. That's our mill gauge. We test on the parts that come off the line. We actually test the parts on the line to verify that they're in spec, because that's what our customer's actually getting. So the panel sometimes varies differently, but we prefer everyone to paint it in spec. But if the panel's off, then I would test the next panel. Or I test a different area on the panel. And then it just gives me my readings. We test it 5 times in 5 spots usually.
Okay.
And then we test our glass. And that's in range. So I just verify it.
And the range of that gloss is also provided by the supplier, right?
Yep. And then the pencil test, since I gotta do 2 types, an H hardness and a 2H hardness. And I just gotta check that they don't scratch. And those here a little bit. And then the mandrel bend. And then it's not supposed to crack, which it didn't, so.
So you take the sample piece, you fold it completely over to make sure that the powder stays adhered to the substrate.